right, these are the directions for the flame test lab. You're going to learn to use a spectroscope to analyze light like a scientist would. So a spectroscope is a device that looks like this. This is, a student one. It's relatively simple. There's a opening right here. You're always going to keep that opening to the right side. Okay, this is the opening that's going to let light in. Here's the eyepiece right here. So you're going to look through here, and you can see that scale in the back, and you can see a little bit of the of a spectrum there on the scale. It's pretty hard to show on there, but you can see to the right, that's where the slit is. That's where light's coming in. The diffraction grating is actually right here, and that breaks the light up. And it appears on the scale over there that helps you kind of put colors in the right spot. So you're always going to have the slit to the right side, and you're going to look through this end. Okay, and the first thing you want to do is look through anywhere and see, it lists the colors that you see. So once you do that, the directions tell you to use incandescent light. That's just an old-fashioned light, and you'll just once again, with the slot to the right, you'll look through and list the colors you see, but actually make a drawing so you can see it's a full spectrum. You'll draw that in the proper spot on the page that looks like this. So that can be your results page. So if you notice, there's a scale here, and you're going to put colors in the right spot, but you're going to start with incandescent light. You're going to color in what you see. The colors will be out. The fluorescent light is the light overhead. So for that part, you're going to be taking a look at, let me see if the slot's on the right. It is. So put it there, and it's going to be forever for me to get it, so I won't. But you'll observe, and then you're going to draw right here what that spectrum looks like. And that's actually the spectrum for mercury, because there's mercury in the light that's getting excited. Okay. Once you've done that, it says sunlight. Never ever directly look at the sunlight, even with the spectroscope. Just look at something outside, like that white vehicle, or the white garage door, or the white sidewalk. Any of those. White cloud would do as well, but don't look directly at the sun. All right, so the next part is for you to check out these other elements, and I've got them set up. So here's sodium, that's its symbol, Na. Here's calcium, Ca, copper, and so on. They're in order. They're in the same order as this. Now, it's really important that you keep these two wire loops separate and only with sodium. We don't want these mixed. And the process is really simple. You're just going to get this wet and then set this in the salt, and since it's wet, the salt will stick. Okay? When you're all done, you're going to return this back to the sodium spot. It only belongs with sodium. Don't get them mixed up. Okay? So next we'll fire it up. The next step is for you to put that salt into the flame, and you notice it gives off color. And this is quite orange. And while you're doing this, you need your partner to look through the spectroscope and get pretty close. We'll probably have the lights off so you can see it better. But you'll look at the flame through the spectroscope. You can do it once and look through the spectroscope. Your partner can do it once and draw the colors you see. The sodium's the simplest one to draw. So now that I'm done with this sodium, I'm going to dip it in there, set this here, and go on to the next one. Now you don't have to do it in order. If there's no wire loop available, just go to a different element. You don't have to do it necessarily in order. Okay, be careful when you're using your spectroscope. Somebody years ago got too close to the flame and wrecked this spectroscope. So just be careful, make careful drawings, draw the colors on this in the spot, in the correct spot. So there's only a certain color at 7, 6, 5, and 4. So make sure you're getting them in the right spot.